like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. We're glad to have you. And if you're returning, thank you. Today I have a mystery box. Now this is new to my channel, and when I checked your site just before I started filming, this is still active, and this is from Juvia's place, and the regular price is $23, but you use code TikTok30 and it gives you 30% off, and that brings it down to $16.80, I believe, with tax, something like that, with tax, and that's in the door. So that's all they charged me. I didn't know if they were going to charge shipping or not. I think they put shipping on, but then it came back off or something. But that's what I paid. And it's 5 full-size items, and it's their back-to-school mystery box. But I left all the links down below for you. And I mean, 5 full-size items for $16, that's a deal. So I was going to do a subscription box today, and then this came in, and I said, no, I'd rather do this so they can get it while it's still there. So let's open her up, and if you see my mailing address, don't worry about it, because it's just a post office box, because I don't have home delivery, because I live in Mayberry. I really hate that too, because we got to get our boxes before, I think it's 11. I'm like, when you open it up, it looks just like this. I'm looking if I can get up and around, and, because I'm a person, if I do my house, I want to do my housework as soon as I get out of bed. So by the time I get up and around, it's like, So I really hate that. But I'm going to grab my glasses real quick, because I can't even see what this one is. This is upside down. Let's see. No. It's something glow. Nubian Glow Liquid Luminizer. That's what it is. It's like, what? Liquid what? This is what it is. So it's basically a highlighter. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I showed you the box, but that's what the box looks like. Whoa. And this is what the doe foot looks like. I don't know if you can see it that well. There it is. That's with full force. And that's when you blend it. And it's just the faintest, which is how I like them. I don't like them when look at her, she's blowing from across the room. I don't like those. I really don't. These glasses are filthy. I haven't had clean glasses since my last husband died. He always cleaned my glasses for me, because he just take them off my face and say, this is pathetic. Okay, then the next thing is, you can see it, Script Island. Oh, it's brow gel. And these are all Juvia's Place makeup. Now, I've never tried their makeup. So I'm going to be honest with you, I've never tried their makeup. So this is new to me too. I think it's kind of an indie brand. But this is, and it's just clear brow gel. Brown brow gel, I think. Wait, let's see. Yeah, it's clear brow gel. And, all that does is just keep your, yeah, it's clear brow gel. That's what the bottle looks like. And it just keeps your eyebrows from being all bushwhacked. It's not a problem I really have, but some people do. And this one is the Garden of Juvia's Lip Reflect Gloss. This is a lip gloss. And that's what it looks like. Oh, it's safety sealed. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Sometimes you just want to say, hold on while I go get a kid so I can open it. I can't open it. Get frustrated. we go. Now I got her. And that's what that looks like. I don't know if you can see it because that ring light reflecting, but this is what color that is. And it's got the same doe foot. And it's like an orangish color. It's very glossy. Yeah, it's very glossy. And I do like their wide doe foot. I do like that. It's it's very oil, like an oil. It feels more like an oil than it does that sticky stuff. So I do like that. And let's see what this one is. I probably won't be able to open it either because it's the same size, same kind of bottle. And this is a lipstick. That's a lipstick. Let's see what color it is. Now that I done put the orange on my lips, goes my shirt. Oh, this is like a nude color. I don't really particularly care for nude colors. I just kind of think, but it's a liquid lipstick, so it has the same doe foot. And this is the color. I'm going to let those dry down so we can see how they dry down. And I'll put the prices on the screen of what these are valued at, if I can find them. I may not be able to find them. You know how that goes. And last thing we got is a bronze rustic. That's what it looks like. That lipstick's about dried down now. It's hot in here. I had to turn the air off to record, and it's hot in here. Jeez. And this is, so we got a palette. Now there is no mirror, but personally I don't care. And there's your palette. And these could be used any way you want to, honestly. Here, let me. Swatch them all. There's 4 of them. And there's all the colors. Which I was just saying when I put my makeup on today, I need a bronzer. I'm out of my bronzer. So, I guess I don't need it now. So those are your 5 items for $16.80 delivered. Now, this right here probably paid for the whole thing. I'm just going to take that out of that box and put that in there. Oh, and I also wanted to show you my EarFleek. I haven't even opened it, so sometimes I just open them and stick them up. These are, I believe, these are, I think it might be $4.99 now a month. And they have an app, or they have a thing where you can swipe left, swipe right, and they'll have you do that and then you'll get one of those earrings. You don't know which one, but so you can say what you like, what you don't like, you know. And they have 2 tiers. One is $9.99. I know that, and for that, I think it's like you get like $25 to $30 pair of earrings for $9.99 delivered. Or I pay by the year, so I think it's like, it's not very much. It's like $25, $30, and you get a new pair of earrings every month, and they're supposed to be valued at $15. And they're all hypoallergenic, so I think this might be a weird pair. I don't think I've ever seen any like these before. If I'm looking right, may not be. You know me, may not be. And that's what this month's look like. But they have all different kinds. I mean, they have like trendy. They have classical. You know, they have for smaller people. You know, they have all kinds of them. So, but I thought I would show that on this video too, so that, and I'll leave that link down below also. But this is just a little something you get in the mail that is not that big a deal, but you get it in the mail and it just kind of makes you feel like a girl, you know? So anyway, thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube-y stuff, like, subscribe, do all that, and come on back. Bye.